Apple is about to make a move that might seriously annoy anyone planning to buy a standard iPhone 18 next year. Word on the street from industry insider Ming Chi Kuo is that Apple is going to skimp on the memory for the base model, giving it only 9 gigabytes of RAM instead of the 12 gigabytes everyone expected. If you want to run all the heavy features coming in iOS 27, you apparently need 12 gigabytes. But Apple seems determined to keep that exclusive to their absolute highest-end devices like the iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone Air, and select iPads. For the iPhone 18, they are switching to newer 1.5 gigabyte chips, but instead of using 8 of them to reach 12 gigabytes, they are only putting 6 chips inside to pair with the standard LE20 processor. If you want the full 12 gigabytes, you will be forced to buy the expensive Pro models running the Ace A20 Pro chip or the rumored upcoming iPhone Fold. This whole situation seems to be a direct result of the global memory crisis, which already forced Apple to bump up prices on MacBooks and iPads recently. They are clearly trying to protect their profit margins and keep the base model from getting astronomically expensive, but customers are still looking at a price hike regardless, with rumors suggesting the Pro might start around €1,500 this September. The real kicker is that this memory cap will directly impact how local Apple Intelligence features run, specifically things like the advanced dictation and the more natural-sounding Siri voices. Even if those advanced Siri features take a while to roll out globally, buying a standard iPhone 18 means your hardware might be outdated before the software even arrives.